Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin is currently trading around 87.5 thousand, a critical level marking the apex of the recent symmetrical triangle. This is not just another technical point on the chart. It is where market sentiment last found balance. Symmetrical triangles represent market indecision, where lower highs and higher lows squeeze price action toward a vertex. Traditionally, a breakdown from this pattern appears decisive. Short sellers jump in, longs capitulate, and market sentiment flips bearish. But looks can be deceiving. What we are likely seeing here is a classic bear trap, a liquidity hunt designed to exploit psychology rather than reflect true selling pressure. When the price reclaims the vertex, this key psychological inflection point, it sends a powerful message. The breakdown was engineered to trigger stops, collect liquidity, and shake out weak hands. This pattern often forces short sellers to cover their positions as losses mount, while sideline buyers rush back in due to fear of missing out. The result is a cascade of upward momentum flipping what seemed like a legitimate breakdown into a rapid bullish reversal. This concept illustrates why market structure alone is not enough. Understanding the emotional drivers behind price movement is what sets professional traders apart. A reclaimed vertex is not just a technical recovery, it is a shift in market psychology. Liquidity hunts operate not to reflect sustained selling interest, but to trigger stops and collect liquidity. Recognizing these psychological pressure points offers a unique opportunity for asymmetric risk-to-reward setups, where the downside risk is minimal compared to the potential upside. Price action is less about lines and patterns and more about interpreting market sentiment, positioning, and liquidity. And few setups highlight this better than a well-executed bear trap. Zooming out to the broader market, the overall crypto market is largely green on the weekly view, reflecting a recovery in sentiment. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is also climbing, now sitting at around 33, which reflects fear, a notable rebound from its March 11th low of 15, indicating extreme fear. That was the lowest reading since the summer of 2023, marking the last phase of the bear market. This shift is a textbook example of how market sentiment can reverse rapidly. The bears are getting hunted, and the bulls are seizing momentum. Institutional flows are adding another layer of complexity. The Bitcoin ETF market has seen consistent positive inflows in the 2 to 3 digit millions since the 17th of March. This is not a coincidence. Institutions are not just dipping their toes, they are positioning aggressively. Yet surprisingly, this narrative remains under the radar. Most market participants appear to be turning bullish based on gut feelings or standard technical indicators. But this underlying institutional buildup is the real driver. Institutional preparation often precedes significant market moves, and we are witnessing it unfold in real time. I have not heard anyone talk about this specific confluence: the vertex reclaim, institutional inflows, market alignment, and the psychological inflection point. But I believe this is the reason behind Bitcoin's recent price action. The 3-day liquidation heat map shows clear upside targets at 88.5 thousand and 89.6 thousand. However, when we zoom out to the 3-month liquidation heat map, even higher hot pockets emerge at 99.5 to 103.5 thousand and 107 to 110 thousand. These zones are not arbitrary, they reflect where leveraged positions are most vulnerable. As we step into quarter 2, Bitcoin seems primed to move higher if momentum continues building. In my opinion, this is not just another bullish wave. It is a carefully engineered liquidity event designed to shake out weak hands before the real move begins. I hope you are prepared. The next few days could be pivotal for Bitcoin's trajectory. If you found this analysis valuable, join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if this content adds value to you, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.